Hello, good evening. Today is 17th of May 2020 and I got this package yesterday. So let's unboxing this. Okay. There we go, guys. The brand is Flowmix. It's Ionic shower head. And it comes with 3 modes. And it says saves up to 30% of water. And it comes with 3 settings. There we go. And it says massage, enjoy the powerful stream of water to massage your body. And rainfall, a pleasant gentle rainfall for a peaceful shower experience. And jet, relax your body with a mix of rainfall and massage for your stream to ease away acne. Sorry about that. And this is the instruction for quick installation manual. And it comes with these spare rings. Okay, let's see our product here. Here we go, guys. It comes with the filtration and ceramic balls, and it's good for filtration, and it's good especially when having a shower, those bad bacteria. And this is the setting. One, two, three. So you have to remove this one and attach this end on your shower hose. Okay, as you can see, there's some a mesh screen inside. It's like a filtration, and same with the other one with ceramic balls. So this is only the unboxing, and then I cannot show you how we'll see if it's the shower, the water is strong or not. So that's it, folks. This is my Ionic shower head company, Flowmix. That's the brand. Just bought this one on eBay. And still, it's made in China. Okay, that's it, and thanks for watching, and subscribe to my videos. Thanks for watching. Peace. Bye.